Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you want basically to negotiate a better price. Making an offer on Vinted is quick and easy. So most sellers accept offers, so don't even think about it twice, don't hesitate, it's totally fine. Just make sure your offer is more reasonable. Then do it. So to do so, all we're gonna do is go ahead. You can either open the Vinted app or look for the website, it depends on you. If you are using Android or iOS, it's more easier to use the app. But for me right now, I'm going through desktop, so I'm gonna go and look for Vinted.com. All we're gonna do now is tap on this website, then go use your email address and password to actually log in. So after logging in, all we're gonna do, for example, go and look for anything that you want to buy. So we have this Nike Book 1, condition very good, size 12, buyer protection. You can select this size from here. Go to men, SM shoes. Okay, select whatever you want, then keep scrolling. So okay, we have this one as well. So for example, you want to buy this one, all we're gonna do is tap on it, then come here and tap make an offer. After this, tap your price that you want, basically whatever price. Just make it reasonable, then send it to the seller, and that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.